and simple, healthy spinach salad. I want to make a spinach salad. Alright? I'm always doing recipe, as you know, Chef Ricardo always do recipe, and I want to do a simple salad recipe today. Alright guys? Nothing complicated. It's just gonna be plain, simple, and straightforward. Look at this. Alright. Just wash off some spinach. Spinach is really good for you when you want to lose weight or your diet. It's very good for have with your dinner, whatever you're gonna eat. Spinach is very good. So now I'm gonna show you to make a simple salad from all of these ingredients. So we got spinach, and this is some celery stick. Got two of them, two celery stick. Just make sure you wash them off. So you want to just cut them really chunky and nice. Half of red pepper. Cucumber. Cut off this two bit of the cucumber. Just cut it a little bit chunky. That's a kind of bite. I've got some plum tomato I'm gonna use inside of it. Let's cut them into half. Really nice. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Secondly, I'm going to put some beetroot. But let's give it a lovely form like this. Alright, just to keep it fresh and nice. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do before I do anything else, show you exactly what I'm going to do. Make up two nice, lovely bowl of salad. Just keep it fresh and nice. Really nice salad. Now I'm going to get some beetroot to put inside of it. That is fantastic, guys. Look at that. That's exactly what I'm talking about. A simple salad to make at home in your kitchen from Chef Ricardo. Alright? With this recipe, does not complicated. Very easy and simple. So with this salad, you can make it at home. You can share it with your family, or whatever you want to do with it. You can always do something with it. Fantastic, really nice, simple salad, and hopefully you guys can learn more. As you can see, the way I do this salad, it's just amazing, and it's just a very healthy salad to have with your dinner. No oil, no nothing inside of it. You can put some pepper on it or some dried chili, but I just leave it plain, just like this, for a simple salad to make at home. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get Chef Ricardo recipe. Stay tuned.